Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna go up to Tri-Cities for another car show. There is one in Sunnyside in my hometown, but I've been to that one multiple years, so we're not going to that one this year. I am gonna put the Sube in this car show, so I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned. Let's go. This is Angel's cousin Cesar's truck. This thing's nice. And then there's that piece of shit in the middle. Just kidding. Hola. All right guys, we're gonna head out right now. Catch you guys in a little bit. I'll show you guys when we get there. Pretty much they're gonna follow me, but yeah. What's up, Alex? Cars are still pulling up right now as we speak, but we made it. I just cleaned up the Sube right now. There was a lot of dust on it from coming over here, but it's clean now. Angel's touching up his car. Hey, what'd you put on your paper? Let me see, let me see. Oh yeah. My name is Angel. Ready? Year and model 2008 Mazda Speed 3. Stage 1 Cobb kit. There is not much around the what area? Oh. So I asked, what do you like the most about your ride? He said there's not much around his area, so he's one in a dozen, I guess. But STI are like AIDS now. They're everywhere, it seems like. The meaty tires too. Right-hand drive. You think there's gonna be more GTRs? Is this the first one we've seen?
Yeah, we've seen one. Two of them.
The RB26. Damn, dude. I would paint match that cover with the paint of the color of the car. That's nice, though. He literally has everything paint matched, which is awesome. Even the turbo right there, that's nice. Cosworth head.
These are color match the wastegate.
A tile wastegate. As you guys can see, there's still a lot of cars rolling up to the show. It's gonna be like this for probably another hour and a half. We'll see though. But there's still a lot of parking spots. Good thing we got here early to get some good spots, and you know, enjoying the day. It is really nice out right now. That's a good thing. I think that's the one that Shield.APR had at his thing. I'm pretty sure. That thing is awesome. Alex taking snaps for the friends. Hey guys, guess where I'm at? Can you see clearly though? Little magnifying glasses. Dude, that carbon fiber stands out so much.
Yeah,
look at that carbon fiber.
Yeah, the paint's so clean.
Yeah, that's nice, I think.
What'd you hit on the freeway?
Angel, put your head in it.
Right?
Hold up, I think it's a 28.
228?
Yeah. I think this is the one Shield.APR was detailing yesterday. I'm not entirely sure, so I'm taking a little guess on it, but I think so. If it did, if this is the one that he did, it looks amazing. I think I might take my car to him or something. This couple over here is probably like I wouldn't say very old, but they're there and they literally have a built Evo. That's awesome. And look, she's helping him clean the car and all that, so that is awesome.
He's dropping.
This is dope, dude.
No, so this is an older couple, and they have like 3 Evos together. That's his wife, and her wife owns a bunch of Evos too.
I noticed that they were like, she was helping him clean the car and stuff. Yeah. That's awesome, dude.
They're like an old, they're like just a couple with nice cars.
I'm gonna tell Vettel, be like, hey,
Did you hear what I said?
What?
I was like, Vero, he's dropping hints.
Huh. That's gonna be me and her in 30, 40 years. Building Subes, Evos,
Jeeps.
have a Supra. Oh, she's gonna build a Jeep. But as you can tell, there's a lot of carbon fiber on this car. You can tell this guy cares about his car because literally every inch of the car is beautiful.
Yeah, he is in the army.
Yeah, this guy's a military man, so shouts to him for his service. Titanium tips. Damn. That's awesome. So far so good. We're having a lot of fun. There's still a lot of cars coming right now and pretty much just enjoying the day with the boys. Kyle's not here. I don't know what's gonna go on with him, but see what's up. There's my Sube right there, Angel's Mazda Speed, and then his cousin's truck. This Sube just got here, so I'm gonna go check it out real quick. Front mount intercooler. That's nice. I wanna do front mount intercooler también. That looks like a bigger turbo as well. Downpipe catless. Look at that wastegate, yeah. That's a nice wrap, dude. That's a nice wrap. I think it's nice, dude. Every angle is a different color. That's dope. That's dope. That nice interior. Dang. Ferrari, dijo.
It's not the 458, I don't want it.
That thing's nice though. This is a nice Evo right here. It reminds me of Devon's in a way. I know if Vettel was here, she'd be looking at that Jeep right there because she loves Jeeps. She said she wants that or an Infinity or both, but we'll see. Another Aspen White Sube. I freaking love red cars, and especially this Evo, it is really nice. And white and red cars are my favorite, top two colors. This is the perfect amount of bass he has in his truck. That thing sounds nice. That's nice. The fastest build is here. 40 PSI on water.
Running through the looking radiator. We have the best cars of the meet. And then some Taquache brought that truck right there. And he's right there. This is my turbo brand, Orkport. Whatever that is, the stickers fell off. Is this your Sube?
Huh?
Is this your Sube?
No. Mine looks just like it though. He has the same diffuser as me, todo pedo.
Huh.
That's crazy. That's crazy, yo.
It looks a lot like Steve's, but I mean...
Oh, what the heck? He has my sweater on his windshield.
Look, he even... His name is...
impersonating me.
Fuck. Right next to some Taquache. Get that badge, bro. Which one? You like this? Yeah, but I mean,
Roadkill or what? We made it back to the show. There's the Sube.
Guys, so Omar, look at this was sweater, bro. This guy, bien peludo. Look at him. He came in clutch.
Hey, shouts, bro.
Saving lives.
It's a nice color.
One more. Just hold it.
Look how much it shakes, dude. That is stupid loud. A Scooby? A little Scooby? That's dope. I want these window vents for my car. That's awesome.
Yeah, what happened there, bro?
This dude we just met has a Gentoo Mazda Speed 3. I think this is literally like the second speed at this show. There's like hardly any wherever we go. That's really cool. He has Anki's RPF 1s as wheel setup. E-back coilovers. This thing's nice. This wrap on this car is magnificent. Literally changes color.
Maybe.
That's awesome. He even has like trees engraved on the side right there. But still waiting, still meeting new people. Thanks for everyone coming up and saying hi. You know, it's cool to meet new people. Definitely talking about their build, my build, stuff like that. The guy with the Mazda Speed 3 was hella cool. He's going to UTI and stuff like that. So I just like meeting new people overall, you know. Good vibes for sure for everyone and all that stuff. So bomb. Where's your food at? Oh, and he's the one that's the hungriest out of all of us, and he gets his food last. But that's gonna cut it up for this video. I hope you guys liked it. Like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for next week's video. Peace.